Welcome to Pyland channel. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. We'll discuss about for loop and while loop. I think in previous video we have discussed about for loop a little bit. So once again I will revise it. For I in here, this I variable is I is considered as a variable and it is the key variable. Here after in we can give any sequence and we can generate a sequence by using range function. So now I will use range function. Range of, here in range function we can give a single parameter or double parameter or triple parameter. Parameter means any values which we are give in the function call. Function call means this range is a function. A range of is a function call. In this parenthesis, whatever the values we give are called as arguments. Okay, now I will give a single argument 5. Okay, now print of I. Here what will happen? The range will produce a sequence from, since we are give a single value 5, it will consider as starting value as 0 and ending value as 5 minus 1, means whatever value we give before uh, before that value all the numbers will generate in a sequence. So from 0 to 4 it will generate a sequence. Okay, let us see. You can see the sequence it produces is 0 1 2 3 4, starting from 0 and ended up to 4. It not consider the 5. Okay, if we give 5 comma 15, it will starts at 5 and end at 14. Since we had give 15, it is the stop and stops at 14. Okay, let us see this. Okay, now I will give step. Step means in this sequence it will start at first number and leave the whatever step we had given. If we give here 5, first we will print 5 and next number which is after the 5 numbers of this, means here we give 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 20, but 20 is greater than 16, so it will not print that. Let us see. Okay, we start at 5, print 5 plus 5 10, and next print 5 10 plus 5 15, and up to that it was just stopped. If we change this to 15, then the 15 will also not appear. Yes, that's all. Now I will show you how to give a sequence. Here I can give a sequence, means I can give a string, I can give a list, tuple, so many things are there in Python. So I will give a string. You can give a string like this or store a string in variable and give that variable here. Okay, I will give hello world. Okay, let us see how it will iterate. First it had gone to h. H is assigned to I and that I was printed. Like that every way character is assigned to I and printed. Okay, uh, Now we will see while loop. I will put it in comments. I told you what is comment. It is an explanatory notes. If your program was seen by any others, they should also have to understand. So to make them understand very quickly and simply, these explanatory notes are given. The interpreter will leave these comments. When it was executing, it will remove these comments. Okay, let us see while loop. While is a condition based loop, means here I will take I less than 5. Whenever I less than 5, I will print I, but it will raise an error that I was not defined. Let us see the error. Okay, see, name error, name I is not defined. Okay, so let us define the I. Let us define I variable. Let us define I is equals to I is equals to 0. If you run, it will become an infinity loop. See, the zeros are printing, going on printing, because here I was always in 0 if we not increment them. So we should have to increment the I plus or equals to 1. What it's actually means is I equals to I plus 1. This is the actual meaning of this I plus or equals to 1. Okay, let us run this. You can see first I was 0. It will check the condition. I is less than 5. It was 2. So it will execute the block of statements. Here there is a statement print I. So it printed and increments the I plus or equals to 1. So I becomes 1 now, and I can check the condition. I is less than 5. Like that, at I is equals to 4, I is less than 5. So again execute and increment I to 5. When 5 is less than 5, it's pause, you stop this execution. Okay, that's all for today. Today we discussed only while loops and for loops. So let us meet in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel Pylan. Thank you for watching this video.